no money this week, so I was kind of wondering like what am I going to do to feed the birds this week. I won't be able to give them as much. But then look what I found outside Tesco. They can be used in Wilko, which is where I get my seed and my nuts from. So now all the birds and I can rest easy knowing that our seed is paid for this week. Yay!
Ever since I got home, all Murphy has done is bother me, except for like 5 minutes when he bothered Dan, who's working.